Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and I'm going to show you how to run any application on the cover screen. We've got one method which is the best one. We can run every application we've got on our phone, and this is actually the best thing I've ever seen. But of course we need to download the separate application, but it's actually the double pre Samsung, so it will be very nice to install this. So at first I need to open the Galaxy Store. Here in the Galaxy Store, tap this lookup icon in the top right corner. Here you need to search for GoodLock. Here I've got GoodLock Labs. Tap it and install. Samsung includes built-in cover screen support for key applications like Google Maps, YouTube, Message, and Netflix. However, here we've got it for third-party ones. To bypass it, we need to, of course, download it, open it, and here agree for the terms and conditions. Here we've got MultiStar. Tap it. I've got it. I don't know why installed already, but here you need to tap it and just install this module. It should take around 30 seconds, I think. Now, here we've got I Love Galaxy Foldable. Tap it. Here we've got Launch Revidget. And now we have it here. We've got every single application that we can add to our cover screen, like for example Muse, Play Store, Smart Switch, and many more. Now we can tap done, and of course it is done. And actually that's it. That is actually it. Bye.